Here are 3 things to make you more attractive. Now, I'm guaranteeing you this because of what it has done for me and all of our clients, male and female. Here's number 1. You want to make sure you get your fitness in order as a priority before your job, before the woman or the man of your dreams. That's number 1, getting your fitness in order, because that will help you have better health and that makes you feel better about yourself. That is a priority before anything, even your kids, because then you have more energy to take care of your kids and the people you love. Number 2 is important. You have to make sure that you do personal development. That means you're working on your cognitive skills to have better memory, to learn a new skill, to become more valuable in your workplace, in the world, in your community, in your job, in your career, at your business. Make sure you work on your cognitive skills. That's number 2. Any type of personal development involves such as taking an art class, taking a dance class, maybe reading a book, maybe doing something for an hour that is out of the ordinary you're not usually used to doing. That's number 2. Number 3, you want to make sure that you're always doing something to give back into the world. It doesn't have to mean that you're going to give back 10% in the church, okay? This is the thing that people do not have correct. You can do it by mentoring a young boy, a young girl, go to an elementary school, go to a high school. I want you to know that any form of giving back into the world will raise your attractiveness. By doing these 3 things, what it has allowed me to do is achieve a lot of great things, like have the best relationships in our business. It has allowed me to travel more. It has allowed me to eat places that I would have never imagined. It has allowed me to live more abundantly. And I want you to get this last thing. Most people always do things for show. If you do these 3 things and you do it behind closed doors when no one is watching, I want you to get this. That will raise 10 times more you being attractive. You will become more attractive than you could have ever possibly imagined. And what it has done for my clients, it has allowed them to become more self-aware about who they are and how they become more influential and make a greater impact in their businesses, in their business, in their family, in their spouse, in their kids, okay? Everyone is talking about being an influencer, but they don't know the difference between influencing and impacting. That is what I'm here to share with you. Make sure that you are making a positive impact by being true to what is authentic to who you are, by adding value into your community, into your world, into your universe. That's what I want you to get. I want to hear your testimonial. I want to hear how this has helped you. And I want you to drop below any comments in what stood out to you the most, what resonated to you the most, and how can you really improve one or all of these 3 things that I'm sharing with you right now. Thank you all, and I can't wait to give you more fitness, health, and mindset tips. See you all in the next video.